Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung ating collective love reading. So, collective to, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung pinaka-reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Be sure nakasubscribe ka dun sa ating ibang channel. Libra Philippines, Virgo Philippines, Water Sign Philippines, Earth Sign Philippines, Air Sign Philippines, tsaka Earth Sign Philippines. Nabanggit ko ba yung fire sign? Yeah, fire sign Philippines. And Madam PTV. Let's start. Four of Swords, Three of Cups. Okay, you're hoping for reconciliation. And dahil nag-expect ka or gusto mo na reconciliation, you're just focusing sa iyong sarili. Kaya try mong ayusin, pagandahin, whatsoever. Diba? Yung iba sa inyo, you could be stuck in a situation. Pero kahit stuck ka sa sitwasyon, inayos mo pa rin yung sarili mo. Ayan, and you're still hoping for a reconciliation dito sa person na nakakonect mo in the past. So, sino ba to person na to? For collectives, please. So, shuffle na lang. Pa-comment dyan so bakit heart ng smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. The Four of Cups is here. Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck is a Three of Swords. Yeah, there could be a third party situation na involved dito. And ito yung dahilan, lalo na kung nasa side mo yung third party, ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi sigurado itong person na ito sa'yo. And that's why nakipag-connect siya sa iba. Like parang hindi siya sure sa connection ninyo. Kaya nakipag-connect siya sa iba. So that's the reason. And the Three of Swords is involved. Page of Wands, Page of Swords, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may anak pa nga na involved dito. And, yung iba, pwedeng ito rin yung naging dahilan kung bakit kinut off or nagkaroon ng pagka-cut off ng communication. It's because of the children na involved dito sa connection. So, ano yung emotion niyo sa isa't isa? Person na ito. Knight of Pentacles. So, ngayon yung main focus mo kasi is Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, money. So, nagkakaroon man ng ending sa inyong dalawa with the Tower, the Ten of Cups. Hindi natin nakikitang iniwan mo or yung memories ninyo or yung emotions mo para sa person na to, nandun pa rin. Nandun pa rin. And nagkakaroon lang ng distance, pagkakalayo, and for you, nandun yung pagka-miss mo dun sa person na to kasi you love the person. Pero, hindi ka naman para gumawa ng mali para sa kanya. I feel like, if ever lang na mangyayari si divine timing, nandyan ka para sa kanya. So, that's what you're hoping for. Magkaroon ng reconciliation, pero pag nagkaroon ng reconciliation, sana this time is okay na lahat. Parang everything will be in your favor. Parang ganun. So, ano emosyon ng taong ito para sa'yo? For collectives. You cover the Six of Wands and the Nine of Swords. This person is, I can see a lot of fire energy here. Pwedeng updated pa rin siya sa'yo. Whatever you post online, pwedeng may balita pa rin siya sa'yo because of other sources, either online or ibang tao na related sa'yo, or yun nga, could be online connections. With a Nine of Swords, I feel like this person is mas nakukuha natin yung crush energy, crush ka nitong person na to because of the actions tsaka yung way mo mag-isip. Gusto niya yan. And also with the Empress, this is a vibe of admiration at tsaka pagkagusto sa'yo, physically attracted sa'yo talaga tong taong to. Okay? And excited siya sa mga bagay na nakikita niya sa'yo. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? We do have here the Seven of Swords, the Two of Cups, Queen of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck, you do have the Strength card. Be careful sa mga partner na meron ka sa buhay mo, whether ito ay karelasyon or friends. I can see them talking behind your back. Meron silang mga plano na against sa'yo or hindi maganda laban sa'yo. The Queen of Wands, you have to listen to your intuition, instinct mo. Makinig ka dyan. Nine of Pentacles, I feel like there's a lot of trash here. Trash people sa buhay mo na kailangan mo i-get rid or alisin sa buhay mo because you don't ikaw lang ang pinakikinabangan. Okay? Wala mo alisan itong mga taong to. You are the Strength card. You are capable of doing things na, akala mo hindi mo kaya, pero kaya mo. Magpakatatag ka. Kung sino yung mga tao na akala mo kailangan mo sila sa buhay nila, buhay mo, hindi mo sila kailangan. Sila pa ngang may kailangan sa'yo. Na kailangan mo silang paalisin or alisan para mas ma-handle mo ang sarili mo na maayos dahil hindi rin naman maganda may dudulot nila sa'yo. Okay? So, wala tayong particular person. Basta sabi ko nga, gamitin mo yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo dahil high chance na yan ang tama para sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.